Shenzhen Xinmingyi Electronic Company Limited was founded in 2018. It's located in Huanghuang Street, Guangming District in Shenzhen City. Our factory has two product lines. The first product line, specializing manufacturing the connectors and spare parts of HDMI, DisplayPort, Type-C. The second product line specializing assembling the cables with connector for HDMI cable, DP cable, Type-C cable, and micro USB cable. For now, we have the ability to specialize in developing precise HDMI and mini HDMI and DP or mini DP Type-C connector types with the equipment of injection molding machine, automatic assembly machine, stamping, inspection machine, and automatic packaging assembly machine, and vertical injection molding machine. Most HDMI cables, DP cables, and USB cables have lifetime warranty after-sale service. We have made our own industrial chain, which makes better price and better researchability. We have unique advantages in offering OEM service. The design, development, and production of products can be carried out for various grades of market demand. All HDMI cable, DP cable, and Type-C products are certified by the CE, RoHS, FCC, and HDMI, and VESA Association standards. And finally, hope to have more chances to cooperate with clients.